This is the video 2 Rumtopf making. Now, we've shopped at Aldi for our fruit, and what I will say is, I don't know how good the dates are on, even if the package, like this one says 3rd of October, can't say that's today, is it? Is it today? No. Tomorrow. So yeah, you can see there's a bit of wastage here. I'm going to try and salvage some and cut it into segments, obviously get rid of the stone. Got some more strubs to go in, so we're going to work through those, get rid of any that aren't up to scratch. May even chop those in half this time. The first layer we put in were full, and then we've got some plums, peaches, possibly pears if they're ripe, and I think we may have some more raspberries in the fridge. I'm going to go and have a look now. So let's take a look in the Rumtopf. So this is a good sign. This isn't puffed up, which means we're not getting any fermentation. I can't see any sort of bubbling in there. Everything looks nice and still. You can start to see where the strawberry's losing its colour. Yeah. And everything's sort of plumped up and risen to the surface, but nothing looks spoiled. Everything looks pretty good condition, so happy with that. So we're going to get another layer of fruit on, another layer of sugar. I'm going to do it by eye. You are supposed to put in half the weight of fruit in sugar, but I'm just going to eyeball it on there and see where we get up to. We've got the same rum as the first 70 sale we poured. It came from Amazon. I think that was $22.50. In the shops it's about 24 quid, so that's delivered, so you do save a couple of quid or whatever it is, better than nothing. Was that through Amazon Prime? That's through Amazon Prime as well. I'll let you know what the rum is again. It's on the first video, but I'll try and put it in the description as well below, should you wish to buy it for yourself. So yeah, we're going to carry on getting the fruit chopped up and layer on. So in the name of quality, this is what is going to be discarded, and this is what we're going to get in for the next layer. We've got some nectarines and plums being chopped up, as I said before. I found some more rasps in the fridge. I'm going to get some grapes in there as well. I took the cling film off so you can get a better look. Everything's looking decent. So yeah, time to layer up. Got some mango to go in. There you go. The name of the rum, WOODS Navy Rum. Available at Amazon, most supermarkets. Like I say, about 24 quid. If you get it for like $22.50 or less, you're on to an even bigger winner. Like I say, it's got the strength. Like I said in the previous video, you need a higher proof rum. 57%, it's just a ticket. So, second layer in. Got some grapes, all that in there now. Probably about, well, you can see how far we are from the top. It's probably about half a bottle, maybe most of a bottle. A bit more fruit. I'd probably say maybe. Sorry if you can hear that. Maybe some more strawberries, maybe some raspberries. But yeah, the Rumtopf part 2 is done. And we'll be back for part 3 because I think we will add one more layer. For now, any comments, please add them below. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the Rumtopf if you've made it before, or if you've got any comments you'd like to make, or any questions, just leave your feedback below. Like and subscribe. Cheers.